What's up, everybody? It's your guide, Ileana, and welcome to Travel with Glen. Before we dive in, if it's your first time here with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below on where you want to travel next. You guys know we are all about finding those hidden gems and making memories here at Travel with Glen. And guess what? We're going to Orlando. Yeah, you heard that right. Orlando, Florida. And the best part? You can snag flights for as low as $48. Now, I know what you're thinking. Orlando's all theme parks and Mickey Mouse ears, right? Well, get ready to have your minds blown because this city is packed with hidden treasures and awesome experiences. From stunning parks to buzzing nightlife, delicious food, and unique art scenes, Orlando's got it all. I'm about to drop my top 10 must-visit spots in Orlando that are going to make this trip unforgettable. Trust me, you're going to want to grab your sunscreen, pack your bags, and get ready for some serious fun in the sun. Alright, you can't go to Orlando without experiencing the magic of Walt Disney World. But here's the secret. It's not just about the rides and character meet and greets. There are hidden gems tucked away all over the park, like secret dining spots and exclusive events that most tourists don't even know about. Need a break from the theme park madness? Head to Lake Eola Park right in the heart of downtown Orlando. It's the perfect spot to chill, rent a swan boat, and soak up the sunshine. Plus, you might even spot some cute turtles and swans. Get ready for a taste bud explosion at East End Market. This place is a foodie's dream, with tons of local vendors serving up everything from artisanal cheese to gourmet donuts. Trust me, you'll want to come hungry and leave with a happy belly. Calling all shopaholics. Get ready to snag some serious deals at the Orlando International Premium Outlets. We're talking designer brands at discounted prices, people. It's the perfect place to find unique souvenirs or treat yourself to something special. Let's get a little artsy. The Orlando Museum of Art is home to some seriously impressive collections, from ancient artifacts to contemporary masterpieces. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, and leave a comment below. Trust me, you don't have to be an art buff to appreciate the beauty and history on display here. Get ready to party at Icon Park. This place is buzzing with nightlife, restaurants, and entertainment options. Whether you're looking for a romantic dinner or a wild night out with friends, Icon Park has got you covered. Get up close and personal with some real Florida gators at Gatorland. This place is not for the faint of heart, but it's definitely a fun and unique experience for the whole family. Just don't get too close to those jaws. Calling all music and theater lovers. The Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts is the place to be for world-class performances. From Broadway shows to classical concerts, there's always something amazing happening on stage. Need a little peace and quiet? Escape to the serene beauty of Harry P. Loy Gardens. This botanical oasis is filled with lush greenery, colorful flowers, and tranquil walking paths. The perfect spot to relax and recharge. Get ready for a mind-blowing adventure at the Orlando Science Center. This place is packed with interactive exhibits, planetarium shows, and hands-on experiments that'll make you feel like a kid again. Trust me, it's way cooler than your high school science class. So there you have it, guys. My top 10 must-visit spots in Orlando. From theme park thrills to cultural experiences and hidden gems, this city has something for everyone. I know you're going to have an epic time exploring everything Orlando has to offer. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel guides and tips, and make sure to check out those crazy cheap flights to Florida. And most importantly, pack your sunscreen, because Orlando is all about sunshine, smiles, and unforgettable memories. See you guys on the next adventure. And hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content.